This is what the finished audit looks like. For engines, one prompt set, and a score you can actually compare to next month's. And you can run every step of it yourself, free. An AI visibility audit checks whether ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini and Google AI overviews name your brand when buyers ask. You build a prompt set, run it across each engine, log every appearance and citation, score it, and read the gaps. The whole thing runs free. You need a spreadsheet, a browser, and about an afternoon. We will build the prompt library, run it across the engines, log it properly, score it into one number, and turn the result into a fix list. First, why this is not an SEO audit. The two used to move together. They are diverging now. AI overview coverage expanded roughly 58% over 12 months. The surface where buyers get answers is shifting under you, and a rank tracker cannot see it. And the stakes are measurable. When a Google AI overview appears, users click a traditional result in only 8% of visits, against 15% when no summary shows, across 68,879 searches Pew studied. Nearly half the clicks, gone. Step 1. Build the prompt library. 10 to 20 questions phrased the way buyers actually type them. Category questions. Comparison questions. Alternatives to your competitor. Direct brand questions. Problem questions where your product is one possible answer. Write them once and reuse them every month, because the comparison is the point. Step 2. Run all 4, not 1. Testing all 4 is not busy work. The engines cite from different pools. ChatGPT surfaces around 15 sources per answer while Gemini surfaces around 3. And Perplexity's cited domains overlap Google's top 10 by about 91%, Google AI Mode by about 54%, and ChatGPT lowest of the 4. So better rankings can lift Perplexity while barely touching ChatGPT. Step 3. Log it so it is comparable. 1 row per prompt per engine. Were you named? Where in the answer? Which sources were cited? And critically, which competitors were named alongside you, because that column becomes your share of voice. Step 4. Score it into one number. Count how many times your brand is named across the whole prompt set, then divide by total brand mentions, yours plus every competitor. That percentage is your share of voice. Published benchmarks put a challenger brand at 10 to 20%, a growing brand at 15 to 30, and an established category leader above 40. Track the number, not the feeling. Step 5. Turn it into a fix list. Sort every finding into 3 buckets. Fix is anything broken you control today, like crawler access and schema. Build is the answer-shaped content you have to write. Influence is the off-site consensus you have to earn. Work them in that order, because each one is slower than the last. Rerun it monthly, not quarterly. These numbers move fast. One tracker watched AI overview overlap with Google's top 10 climb from 32% to about 54% over 16 months. A quarterly cadence misses shifts you could have acted on. And if your first score comes back ugly, you are in the majority. In our audit of 181 brands, 72% were cited 0 times. The full 7-step guide and a free version of this audit are linked below.